They say everything's better with an ocean view. Hugs feel tighter. Laughter seems richer. And everything tastes better. The Hilton Sandestin Beach Golf Resort and Spa is the only resort right on Sandestin Beach. We'd like to say it's the finest resort on the best beach in the world, but our mamas taught us to always stay humble.